Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Om Santo Santi Om. And my group BOM plus 62 Herbs Indonesia or BOM 62 Herbs Indonesia can presentation about title Rawa Rontek Innovation in Development of Lymph Cancer for event WESF 2021 and sponsored by the Bogor. The introductions for Rawa Rontek is magicians in Japanese is mystic, and my group Rontek is not magician because this is important and interesting for the healthy and medicines for drugs, and this is Rontek is very dangerous about in the world because Rontek is this my discovery with team Bomb Plus 62 is very herbal in Nusantara, Indonesia. And from the combination for herbs, Balakacida, treating cancer herbs, begonias, Probabilitas crispa. And the identification lymphoma is a type of cancer that develops when white blood cells. And the reasons behind research to find the new drug. And James OTNIEL, me, our patient who had suffered from lymphoma cancer for 3 years could be cured about this Rawa Rontek. And next, the potential of Rawa Rontek formulation is very process method processing or processing medicine or drug in pharmacy. And point one, cure all patients, and point two, improve the living standard, and point three is assist Indonesia's economic, and point four, reduce employment, and point five, cheap drugs for everyone. And the formulations of Rawaronte drug and Balakacida plan one, the points 13 plants in anti-cancer, antioxidant, ingredients, Osmum, Tuberorum, Crucia, Indica, Pepper Beta, Planas, and Nonna, Moriciata, and many ethic. And pain prevention cancer inhibitors ingredients, Amringala, Camperia galanga, Gingiber sale far, and Gingiber nasale, Eminitic, Ambiguity space, Robinis crispa, and nut pictures, and for A, fluorescence 13 herbs ingredients, and B, strobilanthes crispa, and C, begonia sp. And method research below the plus one preparations for about the locations in Indonesia about herbs formulations, and phase two is formulations we can know about correct combination we taste too much to see its effect or not. And phase three is laboratorium test after you complete the formulations reports after they create for those lethal dose for lymphoma cancer. And this were the result of the research for the Barito Bogor and La Puesta DKI Jakarta. In descriptions, picture one is Balakacida root where Cumulana odorata L is for antioxidants, value below too high max antioxidant, and then this is compounds inside begonia leaf along with their concentration and their qualities. And this is same, and this is for herbs cancers or jamu cancer, 13 herbs of cancer. This is same for the picture 2 and 3 for the begonia leaf. And then preclinical test in ETB for the 2 months, around 30 and to until 40 grams condition initial and condition for in GMBA, and then preclinical in TB, proceeded to inject in DBA and around take into race, and after 4 to until 5 days, the cancer appeared its red body. And yes, for the 8 to until 8, we start rest, gave birth to 10 pups, and 2 weeks is very completely for my discovery and research of Rontek. And digital product is lethal dose. We know that for the control GMB in group 2 and group 3 were to until group 5. And then also the single dose 50 milligrams or kilograms body weight has the best effect on cases for the point. This is point 20 and point 30, and then this one, and then this one. The first descriptions, the photos beside are the results show that TME compounds is recent lymphoma. These decisions can cause cancer infections. And this is the cancer cells tissue and didn't appear again. And this is me for the diagnosis cancer and healthy cure only week 3. Sorry, for the treatment only 6 weeks in cancer and drugs. And the conclusions were stable combinations of several with dose 100 milligrams of BWH both can cure lymphoma cancer patients. This is award, the gold medal, special award, and bronze medal. Indonesia by Sami Sekca, Macedonia, and certificate of vaccinations for UK. And then this is business plan for the variant for variants. Okay, thank you. My group presentation, and sorry, my group presentation is not good. And see you and God bless us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.